Hello friends, in this video we'll be talking about the newly launched strategy template on Speedbot. So just to give you a context of what a strategy template is for the users who are new on Speedbot. Let's say if you have a trading logic that has a ready-made set of rules. So we usually deploy those set of trading logic in the template section. That is, if you are a beginner or an amateur trader and you'd like to understand how the world of algo trading works, then you can refer to the Speedbot strategy template section. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the newly launched template on Speedbot. So for accessing that, firstly you will have to log into your Speedbot account. Over here, as you can see that I've logged in to my Speedbot account, and let me just go to the template section. Now over here I'm able to see this particular strategy template, that is the MACD momentum rider. So by the title of this particular template, you can make out that it is based on the technical trading indicator named MACD, and it could be created on the basis of the momentum. Wherever there is a momentum in the markets, it could be on the upside or the downside, then you'll be able to catch such kind of momentum using the strategy template from your side. So let us just first understand what exactly does this mean and in which market conditions does it work. So as you can see that we have drafted the description of this particular template. That is, firstly, like I mentioned, that it is on the basis of the MACD trading indicator and will try to catch the momentum on the upside and the downside. So as you can see that this is an intraday based algo that uses the MACD indicator. So in which market conditions does it work? Let's first understand that, and then we'll move on to the risk associated with it. That is, whenever the markets are trending, it could be on the upside or the downside, then during the trending markets, it will try to catch the momentum. Secondly, during the volatile markets, let's say that if there is a high volatility, let's say if there is a spike, in that case, if you wish to capture that spike, then you can use such type of strategy template for your reference. Next up, let's talk about the risk associated with this particular template. That is, whenever there is a sideways market, then the probability of maximizing your returns are reduced due to the whipsaws, that is the up and downs in the markets. It will be difficult for the strategy template to capitalize on the gains. And by default, when I talk about the technical trading indicator, it is by default a lagging indicator that you can use. Apart from that, let's say if you are using it on a smaller time frame, then the number of trades would be maximized. So you'll have to keep a check on the time frame as well, so that you do not do any such kind of over trading. Now let us understand on which symbol does it work and the logic behind the strategy template. So over here, as you can see that this is on the basis of the Nifty symbol. And let's understand the first set. So like I mentioned, it's an intraday based strategy template, and it is an option selling strategy template. So over here, I can see that we'll be shorting a call option for one lot on current week expiry with 100% target and a 20% stop loss. That is, we'll try to eat the complete decay of the option that we have sold. And apart from that, to mitigate the risk or to manage the risk, we'll be using the trailing stop loss feature. That is, for every 1% movement, we'll be trailing the stop loss by 2%. Now, we'll be starting the template at 9:20, and we won't be taking any entry after 3 p.m. and the exit time would be around 3 p.m. if there are any open positions. For all days we'll be running it, and twice we would be checking it from our side. That is, we'll be executing the set, that is, we'll be executing the call that we have shorted twice in a day. It could be on the basis of the target, it could be on the basis of the stop loss. Now, in order to enter into this particular option position, what needs to be done is that the default parameter of MACD, whenever it crosses above the other signal of MACD, then we'll be entering into a buy or the long position or the short position, if I may say, beg your pardon. Now, likewise, we'll be doing it for the put side. That is over here, we'll be entering whenever the MACD crosses below the other MACD. Let's say if I want to tweak the parameters from my end, so over here I've clicked on the build bot button. Now I'll be able to tweak the parameters from my side. Let's say if I wish to tweak the indicator parameters, that is, currently it is being checked on a 15-minute time frame. Now, instead of 15 minutes, I'll just select it as 1 hour over here and 15 minutes over here. So that's how I'll be able to tweak the indicator parameters as well from my side. And likewise for the put side that we have shorted. So once I click on the save and continue button, now my bot will be saved. So that's how you can create a bot using the strategy template that is based on MACD. So I hope you understand this particular strategy template that we shared today, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.